Repairs, fixing or restoring something that is broken or damaged. Tools, objects used to help make repairs, like hammers, screwdrivers, or wrenches. Fix, to repair something that is broken. Broken, not working properly because of damage. Damage, harm or injury to something that makes it less useful or attractive. Hammer, a tool with a heavy metal head on a handle, used for breaking things apart or driving in nails. Screwdriver, a tool with a thin metal shaft and a handle, used for turning screws. Wrench, a tool used for gripping and turning nuts, bolts, pipes, etc. Nails, thin pointed pieces of metal with a flat top used for fastening things together. Wood, the hard fibrous material that forms the main substance of a tree or shrub. Glue, a sticky substance used for sticking things together. Plumbing, the system of pipes, tanks, fittings, and other apparatus required for the water supply, heating, and sanitation in a building. Household, relating to a home domestic. Instructions, information telling how something should be done, operated, or assembled. Can you spot the target words in these sentences? 1. He fixed his bike by making repairs to the brakes. 2. A hammer and a screwdriver are essential tools for building. 3. She knows how to fix a leaky faucet in the bathroom. 4. My phone screen is broken, so I can't see the display. 5. The storm caused damage to the roof of the house. 6. Use a hammer to nail the picture frame to the wall. 7. A screwdriver is needed to tighten the screws on the table. 8. He used a wrench to tighten the bolts on the bicycle. 9. Make sure to use nails to secure the pieces of wood together. 10. The bookcase was made from solid wood and looked beautiful. 11. I used glue to mend the broken handle on the mug. 12. The plumbing under the sink needs fixing because it's leaking. 13. There are household chores that need to be done every day. 14. Follow the instructions carefully to assemble the furniture.